Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome back. Hope that all of you are healthy and safe. I am Hasina Afroz, Assistant Professor of Milestone College, Department of Home Science. Our today's topic is art element of textile. It is included on chapter 15. The name of the chapter is Art Element and Art Principles of Textiles. From today's discussion, you will learn the following topics. Know about the classification of color, to explain the color cycle, to explain how to select the color of clothing according to the color, complexion and body structure through the color cycle. Let's start the details. Art elements of textile. Dressmaking has been one of the artistic works for a long time. The remarkable artistic elements which are used in textile industry are as follows: color, dot, line, design and texture. The proper application of these artistic elements has a great impact on making the beautiful and attractive personalities. Color is the remarkable artistic elements. Everything around us has its own color. It may be artificial, may be natural. It is necessary to have some knowledge on the characteristics and impact of different colors. We should have some ideas about the color of color cycle for using color properly on clothing. Basically, color is of three types. How many types? Color is of three types. Number one, primary or main colors, secondary colors or mixed colors, and marginal colors. At first, primary color. Draw a triangle. Then write the primary color's name. Red, blue, yellow is primary color. These are the basic color because these are not made mixing with other colors, but other colors are made up mixing with these main colors. Then secondary colors. How can you draw this? Look, yellow and blue mix up, then create a color green. So by mixing two main primary colors, the secondary colors are made. Blue and red. Look, by mixing blue and red, violet is made. Violet is the secondary color. Then by mixing red and yellow, orange is created. So there are 3 primary color and 3 secondary color. Clear? I repeat. By mixing 2 main or primary colors, the secondary colors are made. Then marginal color. First, draw the marginal color. How can you draw this? Look. At first, draw a cross. Then, draw a line in between the cross. Do you understand? Then, write a primary color in alternative gap. Write red, blue and yellow. Look how we draw. Now write the secondary color in the rest alternative gap. Violet. When red and blue are mixing, violet is created. Then yellow and blue are mixing, green is created. Then red yellow mixing, orange is created. Then draw a circle. Write the marginal color where the lines are touch the circle. I repeat, write the marginal color where the lines are touch the circle. Look, when primary color blue and secondary color green mix up, bluish green is created. Bluish green is marginal color. Then yellow and green mix up, yellowish green is created. Here yellow is primary color, green is secondary color. So we can say if any secondary color which is near to the basic color is mixed with it, it is to be made marginal color. We also say one primary color and one secondary color when mixed up, marginal color is created. Then yellowish orange. I repeat, write the marginal color where the lines are touch the circle. Otherwise, you will be confused if you not follow the instruction. Then red mix up with orange and marginal color reddish orange is created. Then red and violet are mixed up, reddish violet are created. Violet and blue mix up, bluish violet is created. Do you understand that? Draw the picture in your exercise book just now. And follow the process as I show. Every color has its some own characteristics. Among the primary colors, red, yellow, and all the colors made from their mixture are known as hot or bright color. Which are the bright color? Red, yellow, and orange. And all the colors made from their mixture. On the other hand, the colors made of blue and the mixture of blue are known as cold or mild colors. Normally, hot or bright colors pains our eyes or hot feeling in mind. Bring distance objects near to our vision, make the thing appear larger than what actually they are, attract more the attention of others. On the other hand, cold or light colors bring quiet feeling in mind, make an object further than its actual existence, make the object smaller than what actually there, and they fail to draw the attention of others. Look at the role of color in dress. Dresses are needed to increase the beauty of human body. The main purpose of wearing a dress is to make a person attractive. What is the main purpose of wearing a dress? To make the person attractive. Color has an important role in selecting dresses for different person. If proper color is not selected, the color of person's dress diminish one's beauty. Again, selection of proper color can make one attractive. In fact, it is the artifice of colors. As color plays an important role, we should be careful in selecting the color of dresses to make the beautiful personality. Colors brings a wonderful change in the appearance of person. If appropriate color is selected, it will make a simple ordinary girl unusual. Proper selection of color according to age, personality, and occasion increases a person's self-confidence and the beauty of a human body. On the other hand, if proper color is not selected, the color of person dress can spoil one's personality. So we should be more careful in selecting the color of dresses. To give brightness to the body. Color has a great impact of the person's physical structure, appearance, and complexion. So we should select the color of dresses in such a way that it will be beautify the body. Girls of dark complexion should use clothes of light but bright colors to make them look brighter. Look at the picture. To change the physical structure. It is possible to present a person apparently as healthy or slim, changing the color of dresses. So, it should be selected considering the physical structure. The dress having two mixed color will not be suitable for the thin or short structure girl. In fact, light colors clothes will be suitable for them, so they can select sari and blouse of light color. Bright color clothing should be selected for those whose physical structure is thin. They can put on a sari and blouse contrast color. But when a short structured girl puts on a sari and blouse of same color, she looks relatively taller. Girls who are healthy should put on clothing of light color so that they appear slim. To create supremacy. To create supremacy, if we want to give more importance on the beautiful part of a body in selecting clothing, in that case we can select bright or deep colors, such as it is possible to make the dress attractive through using design. It is possible to make design of deep color on a light color sari. It is possible to enhance the attraction of dress by using contrast color. Again, if any person does not want to express himself, he can select dull on light color dress, because in this case no part of body will get performance. To keep uniformity in a dress. As color is an inspirable part of design of a dress, so to show the person's physical structure, appearance and complexion beautifully, we have to maintain uniformity of color on the dress. Different colors can be used on a dress, in this case to keep the uniformity of dress. The use of two colors should not be the same, rather one should be more than the other. When light color dress is selected, deep color should be used on some small parts of it. Besides, the color suitable for a person should be used on his dress to create dominance. Look at your CW or classroom. What is the main purpose of wearing a dress? To make a personality, to make a attractive personality. What is primary color? Red, yellow, blue are primary color. Which color should be worn by thin person? Bright color. By mixing, how many main colors are the secondary color is made? Two main color. Draw the picture of marginal color. I think you can draw this. Then homework. Look at the homework. Colors has an important role to make a beautiful personality. Explain it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.